It's rainy day treasure hunters here, and we're gonna do a sand scoop bucket test. But here's why we're here today, is the sand scoop. My homemade redneck sand scoop made out of an ice bucket and a broomstick with a bracing material, and this is basically how it's gonna work, and we will see. The old bread bag and duct tape over the F2, and I have a lanyard, so when I start digging it, I can secure it to my back and not get it wet. So what do you say we go treasure hunting? Yeah, rainy day treasure hunters. Okay, nice 61 target. I am seeing, oh, got a coin in the sifter. All right, my first coin is that a 1995 penny. All right, and I got a coin in the scooper. Let's see here. I will put that in a pocket, and let's find us another target. Okay, that's a solid nickel and zinc. Bouncing back. I got a nice bucket full. Let's see here. Aha! Fishtail. Yeah, one of my favorite breweries. The Fishtail Mud Shark is one of the best beers out there. That's a cool find. All right, let's keep swinging. That's a 77, 2 inches down. This should be an interesting dig, because this is probably the best signal I've had today. In here, because I don't hear the beep anymore. And sure enough, look at that, a coin in the sifter, and it's a dime. Yeah, my first dime, and that's what the Mighty Fisher F2 said it would be too. Okay, you got a 71 signal. Get a nice big bucket. see here. Well, I don't see anything. Okay, still on the ground right there. Let's see if I can get a big old mega scooper. Oh, it's right there on the lip. Are we getting this? Look at that, it's a dime on the lip. Wow, yeah, that's awesome. Oh. Oh, and we got a bottle cap in the same scoop. A dime and a bottle cap. I think that's my first bucket spill. Ho, 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 ho. Yeah. Alrighty. Having a blast out here in the Watzel sandy beach with my homemade ice bucket and broomstick. Alright, let's keep swinging. Deeper. Okay, I might have something here because it's not beeping anymore. And I see a coin in the bucket. Man, this bad boy had me chasing it around and around. So, it is a coin, and it looks like a nickel, just like the Mighty F2 said it would be. Okay, so this one is for you, Kelsey, in the kayak. Thank you for watching, and you're our spotlight guest on Rainy Day Treasure Hunters here at Sandy Beach in the Watzel. What a beautiful day. Ooh, that's a nickel, 33. Okay, a couple inches deep right there. Let's give this a dig. This is a good solid signal. Good mega scoop into the bucket. Love the way the water comes in. I drill little holes so we don't lose the earrings, but the big holes to drain the water quick. But I don't see anything, so let's put it in the sifter. Nope. So let's reacquire the target. And that's a solid 32, but it jumps into the foil, so it could be a piece of foil, which this place has a lot of. Let's see if I can get a good scoopful. And I don't have a signal in the water. It could be in the bucket. Oh yeah, I see a coin. And look at that. Another nickel in the bucket. These nickels, I think, have been down here a little while because they're like orange. Oh yeah, I think the old ice bucket and broomstick is working pretty killer. All right, well, let's keep swinging and splooshing. All right, remember to always check your lake twice. There was another signal down there. Don't see anything there. So let's check it. We got another signal right here. 2 inches deep. Might need a better cutting edge. On the bucket. Anything there. Let's try to reacquire. Alright, nice scoopful. And I don't have a beep down there. So it could be target in the hole. Oh, and I do. I see a Gamakatsu fishing hook. Okay, so honey, I'm being very careful, but got my first fishing hook. Oh yeah. And it looks like a Gamakatsu. Yeah. Let's hang it. Well, we don't want to do that. We want to check it. Let's put it in my hat. Okay. We got a 71 signal. Get a nice big bucket. Let's see here. Well, I don't see anything. Okay, still on the ground right there. Let's see, right. Get a big old mega scooper. Oh, it's right there on the lip. Are we getting this? Look at that, it's a dime on the lip. Wow, yeah, that's awesome. Oh. Oh, and we got a bottle cap in the same scoop. A dime and a bottle cap. I think that's my first bucket spill. Ho, 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 ho. Yeah. Alrighty. Having a blast out here in the Wattsel sandy beach with my homemade ice bucket and broomstick. Alright, let's keep swinging. Wow. This is a screaming signal. 2 inches down. We got a lot of sand out here in the deeper water. I was bringing it right up to my F2, right up to the duck tape. See if we got it here. I think the signal's still in the sand. Yeah, nothing in the scoop. Let's take it back down there. This is a solid 30, 32. Right there. So either I'm pushing it or I'm just not scooping it up. But I think this one is a mega scoop full of goodness gracious. Target still down there. It's right there. Just having let's see if, oh yeah, it doesn't sound like she's beeping now. Yep, see that? We got a bullet shell. That's a little screamer. 22 bullet shell in the bucket. All right, man, that little bad boy had me chasing it all over. 22 caliber bullet in the bucket. All right, let's keep swinging. That is a big scooper full. Okay, just got a nice quarter. Okay, just put a scooper from the bucket. Target is in the sifter. I see a coin. I see a coin. I just got to secure this F2 so it doesn't take another sploosh of the drink. Okay. It's a penny. Been down there for a minute. Cool. Let's keep swinging. Okay. Got a target in the bucket. Nice. Little trout lure. Yeah. That's a keeper. Throw a hook on that. Catch a dinner. Got here. Don't see anything yet. Oops. I see a coin. Oh yeah, we got ourselves a nickel. Okay, nickel in the bucket. That's always a keeper. 2 inches deep, 45 pull tab signal. It's in the bucket. In the bucket. Oh, look at that. 22 long rifle. That's a 22 Magnum. Yeah, 22 Magnum shell. That's awesome. Oh, it's turning out to be a sunny, beautiful day here at Sandy Beach on the Watzel, and I'm getting the hang of this swimming hole hunting. Nice. Took out one scooper full. Target was not in the scooper, in the bucket, so I'm gonna go a little deeper. Nice big scoop full. No target left in the hole, so whatever it is, we got it. Try to get some footage of the target. So, an old 410 shotgun shell. Yeah, that's cool. I like that. Yes. All right, let's keep swinging. Okay, just put a scoop in the sifter. And I see a coin in the sifter. Hold on to the F2, and there we go. So there we go, and 1974 D penny. All right, nice mid-tones, 3 inches deep. So we got the pull tab out of the hole, and there's your Zinc penny signal right there. Super scooper. Oh yeah, look at that. It's out of, oops. Oh yeah, look at that, coin right on top. Yeah, we got another bucket spill. Yeah, we got pull tabs, coins coming out of the same scoops, same hole. Okay, pull tabs in 1977 penny. Oh, pretty shiny too. Whew. The sun's coming out. This is wonderful. Yep, I see it in the bucket. Another 22 short. A lot of shooting going on. That's a solid 70. Solid 70. Let's let the scooper scoop it up. Oh yeah. Nice big scoop. Whatever's left is down really deep. I think I have the yep. I have a coin right there. I see it. All right. Coin in the sifter. Yeah, I think I'm starting to get the hang of this. Okay, we got some screaming 70s and 80s here. we have it out of the hole. That means it's in the scuba. And they were screaming. Okay. Let's see. We got a full scooper of sand. Wood chunks and rocks, yeah. I hear metal. And I see a quarter. Yeah. It was screaming. The old F2 said quarter. And it is. It's one of the newer ones. Alright, let's recheck the hole. Nice target right there. See if I can metal detect, scoop, dig, and film all at the same time. Let me tell you, it's not easy doing this, and it's actually more enjoyable to just metal detect. Okay, it's still in the hole. I'm gonna dump this out, but I will make sure it's not there. Nothing's in this. Yeah, it's right there. Get it. It's out of the hole. It is in the scuba. I love that. And, go down to one knee because I enjoy getting a little wet out in this new swimming hole. Metal detecting. It's right now, this time of year, it's just like bath water. The weather's beautiful. Okay. Ready for a ring, a piece of jewelry, something besides coins, fishing lures. However, I think I see a coin in there, and I'll never ever not be appreciative. Nope, and see, I jinxed myself because that's a piece of that's a bullet casing. This is a you can see the rifling. This was a copper jacketed bullet casing, and that is it. Yep, I jinxed myself. I'll take coins all day long. This is a coin spill. I got to put this back in. I make a bad habit of that. I am going to start dumping everything into the sifter, because this, I believe, is a coin spill. This. Yeah, and I still have a dime in there. Oops. Dime or a penny. And there's still more. In the sifter already. There. Alright. I think I got us a couple of targets in the sifter. I see 3 pennies so far. There might be a 4. Oh, I see a dime. Oh, this is an awesome one in the sifter. Look at this. This is my first. Look at that. What a coin spill. I got 4 pennies and a dime. Oh yeah. Now that, and I'm still gonna go over the hole. Man, that's it. I got a old crusty dime. It's been down there a while, and 4 pennies. Rainy day treasure hunters in the water. Oh yeah. Oh man, I love this. Get a signal, decide to scoop it. Okay, decide I'm gonna dig it, but there's still a signal in the hole, so I didn't get it the first time, but as precautionary I dump it in the sifter. Then I go back, go a little deeper, and get that target out of the hole with my super duper ice bucket broomstick. Look at that. Oop. Huh. See, there's still a signal there, so I'm gonna dump that in there. There looks like a 70 signal, so that's going to be a dime or a copper. And I think I got it. Oh, oh yeah, that's the air bubbling out of my camos, not bubbling out of me. Okay, let's get a little sifter going here. Yeah, I see a coin. There we go. Got an old penny. It's a memorial. But that's it. Huh. We'll check the area one more time. I'm going to check the bottom of the old ice bucket. I think I hear. Something. Little pebbles. That's it. Alright, we'll check the hole again. Nice, big, deep scoop. A lot of sand over here. Definite 71 signal in there. So we did not get it. Oh yeah, but it will not escape. Not the super ice bucket scooper. Here I come. Oh yeah. Try my hand with a big deep bucket of sand. No. Oh man. It's still in the hole. It's the same 71. I'm coming to get you now. You can run from side to side, but you're gonna be in the bucket. Look at that. Gotcha. Gotcha. In the scoop. Okay, get this big old, oh, look at that. Just like I said, 70-71 dime. Nice. Gotcha. It's time. I snagged a dime. Okay, 43 signal right here. A nice big old scooper full. I think we got it. Okay. Target is in the sifter. Oh yeah. So uh-oh, round pull tab. Oh, one of these days though, it's gonna be a round ring. I'm ready. Okay, let's get the target. Nice scooper full. Still haven't been able to get it out of the hole. I see a coin. Okay, so this is another pocket spill. Little coin spill in the hole. Got a nice big scoop of dirt on that one, or sand. So we got the last coin in there. So here's the penny, the first penny. That's awesome. And no, I saw a flash of penny. All right. So we had 2 pennies. Little coin spill. I'll check the hole, make sure there's no more. Okay, I got it out of the hole. Pieces of wood, a lot of wood out here at Watzel. I don't see a coin. Oh my God, I got a ring. Oh God. I just pulled a ring. Oh my God. It's a little kid's ring. I think it's probably just a junker. I don't know though. It has a mark in it, like a little silver ring. It's missing the stone. All right. Listen. The old scooper finally comes through. Oh wow, look at that. This is awesome, and I got it on film. Rainy day treasure hunters. I got my homemade ice bucket broomstick scooper. Probably on hour 4 here at Watzel Sandy Beach, and this is my 3rd beach hunt. And I got me a little kid's ring. It's probably I don't know if it's a junker or not, meaning it has a mark in there, or it looks like initials, but let me take a quick break. I'll get the loop on it. What a beautiful day here, sunny day for Watzel Beach swimming hole metal detecting. I think I like this. Well, oops, upon further review, inside it's inscribed ELL. And I'm not sure what that is. And then on the other side it says ME, and it has like a half a Mitsubishi type symbol. Don't know. I will take photos of it later though. All right, my first ring in my scoop. Beach hunting. Awesome. Rainy day treasure hunters. Keep swinging, keep scooping.